morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Moving on to world financial news.
The US dollar slid, on pace for its biggest monthly drop in a year, weighed down by expectations that the Federal Reserve is done hiking interest rates and could start cutting them by the first half of next year. German Economy Minister Robert Habeck pledged that the government will find a swift solution to the turmoil triggered by this month's court ruling on off-budget funds, and said it will find the money for all projects essential for the transformation of Europe's biggest economy. Profits at China's industrial firms extended gains for a third month in October, albeit at a slower pace, suggesting more policy support from Beijing is needed to help shore up growth. The 2.7% year-on-year rise sees profit growth narrow back to single digits, following an 11.9% increase in September and a 17.2% gain in August.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1355 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0700 hours GMT. The Irish retail sales will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.